Hi friends, is there anyone? Friends, are you able to hear me? Hello. Good morning, friends. Hello, good morning. Good morning, friends. Friends, can you hear the screen? Just wait a minute, friends. I'm just inviting everyone. Okay, thanks, Deepu sir. Okay, just let me just invite everybody. So I'm starting in just 5 minutes. Yeah, I will wait for 5 minutes, friends. After that, I will start the session. Just wait for 5 more minutes. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, friends. I could see 11 members have joined so far. So I most welcome everybody. Most welcome to this channel. Most welcome to my session. Friends, at my request to invite the new people who have no knowledge and they want to learn. So invite those to this webinar because every Sunday I give a free webinar, and my purpose is to just educate the new members who have no knowledge of market. Nothing else. Okay. So friends, if you have any stock that you want to be discussed, as per today's topic, we are going to discuss the use of trend lines, how we can make use of trend lines for day trading as well as for positional trading. So friends, if you want any stock to be discussed, please name the stock. Good morning, friends. Good morning. Pareshji, good morning, sir. Kunal, sir, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, friends. Friends, if you want any stock to be discussed, okay, Lupin. I have got one name, Lupin. So let us go with Lupin. Lines in Titan as well. Okay, right. So friends, I will just go through Lupin, and then after I will move to. Okay. So friends, I am not adding any. I will let me just make it volume. Okay, just add volume. We need nothing else. Okay. Tata Motors, please. Okay. Okay, Kunal sir. I will try my best to discuss all the stocks. So first of all, I will go with Lupin. And friends, do you want these stocks to be discussed for intraday purpose or for positional trading? I think we should discuss for positional trading. It would be better. What do you say? Let us start with first with positional trading. How we can make use of this concept, the concept of trend lines. How we can make use of this thing. So as you could see, friends, I'm going back. I'm checking this on daily chart. Okay. So look at the daily chart. The stock was in downtrend. Okay. So in case you get any condition, right? Yeah. First of all, I'm started with positional trading. So friends, we will go here. I'm on investing.com. Everybody is familiar to this site now because I'm taking sessions. My session, every Sunday I'm taking my free sessions on this investing.com. So friends, once you are there, and you could see it in the left side, this first stop. Okay, so you just click there and you see the trend line is there. So we need this thing only. This is our today's, So friends, I will make its color. Let us make its color. Let us make red color. Okay. Okay, friends. So what you need to do in this case, once you see that a stock is trending, okay, it has made. You could see the Lupin was falling from quite long time back. Okay, sorry, because I have made it, so it will be drawn. Okay, you could see here the stock was falling from quite long time. Let me just minimize it. Okay, so you could see here, friends. So for quite long time, the stock was in downtrend, but now the trend is reversed. This stock has taken a, reversal from the downtrend. So you could simply see here the stock was in downtrend with some, little up moves in intervals, but now it has given us a moment that is away from this, all this move. So I will make a trend line. I will go to trend line and put our trend line from this level. Okay, and friends, always remember, whenever you are drawing a trend line, your purpose should be to connect the maximum number of points, peaks. You could see at many points it has touched. Once started, let us say we have started from this point, or we can go back also. We can take it to back for 1 minute. Let me just shift it. Yeah, it is a little different. Okay, we will avoid this. Okay, because there was some little trend previously. So from this level, its stock has made a continuous downtrend with some upward spikes, but again downtrend. Okay, so friends, the purpose of this trend line is to see the direction where the stock is going. Okay, so you could see here the stock, we have taken this trend line from this point, and our purpose should be to connect maximum number of these spikes or peaks, pullbacks. Okay, so you could see here I have drawn this line now. Okay, so that's quite a long time trend. It is from 2015 actually, from 13th of October. You could see here roughly from we could simply say 13 to 15 or 16 October. So somewhere from this level, 2005, from October 15. Sorry, from October 2015, the stock was in clear downtrend. Okay, because see, nowhere it has crossed that level again. Once at that level, okay, it fallen down, made some spike, tried to come here. Again it moved down. Okay, made some low and then again given a pullback. But this pullback is less than, it could not break the previous level. Okay, it could not break the previous level, so it's an indication of a clear downtrend. Then again given some down move, again once it has broken this trend line as well. Okay, but again could not cross above this level. Sorry, could not cross above this level, friends. This level is 1750 somewhere. Okay, previously it has fallen from level of 2000, maybe 2100 somewhere. Okay, made one spike after this fall. After fall of 1284, 85 somewhere, it given a spike to 1882. Okay, then again downfall. Sorry friends. Again a fall. Okay, this time it tried. It made to 1750 somewhere, but could not cross to level of 1878 or 18 somewhere 1850 even. Okay, again down. Came here. Again this time it crossed it, but could not sustain the rally. Okay, it could not even broke this level of 1550. You could see here that it could not break this level of 1550. Again, it again fallen down. Okay, and then big fall to this level of 928 somewhere. Yeah, 910 as well. Okay, then again given a spike to this level 1060, 57 somewhere. Again a fall, sir, friends. So let me just make it bigger to show you these levels. Okay, I think this would be very clearly visible to all. Now let me just show you how the stock is trending. Okay, just have a look at this. So it made some range, could not break, again fall. Again some range, could not break, again fall. Okay, so stock is continuously in this trend, friends. So whenever we draw a trend line, we should connect the maximum, points in the as a pullback points. Okay, that would be a right trend line for us. Okay. So this is a trend line, friends. So you could see here now the stock has broken this trend line and it has gone to other side, friends. Once again, look at this level also. It has broken that trend line and gone to other side, but could not sustain and then again a fall. But this time, look at this time, friends. Friends, I'm checking on daily chart. For positional trading, I'm using daily chart because daily chart is a very reliable for positional trading. We can go with average charts as well. Okay. But just try to understand, the overall trend of the stock. The stock was clearly in downtrend from 2015 October. Okay, from 2015 October month onwards, the stock was in clear downtrend. It was continuously making lower lows and lower highs. The stock was making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so that's a continuous downtrend. But now stock has broken this trend line, and that's a very good, that was a very big trend line from from October. Means for continuously for 3 years, stock has broken 3 years trend line. That's a very big point. Now we have to see that how the stock, the first the first resistance level for the stock is there, this level. Let me put a line, horizontal line there. This is the first resistance level for the stock. The stock has to cross this level to continue the upward trend. Now it has given a breakout of this level. It has broken the trend line, friends, but it has to sustain above. If it has to go above, it has to move up. So the stock should need to cross this level at least. See, once it touched that level but could not sustain and again a fall. But it has not broken the previous low levels. Look at this level. Let me put one more line. Let me just put one more line what I want to say here. I will drag this line down. This level. So now the stock is between these two levels. We can say that this level of 965 somewhere, yeah, approximately. Let me just make it little above. Yes, stock need to cross this level. Roughly, we can say 980 level. Okay. So friends, stock need to cross this level of 980 in the upper side to continue the uptrend, and then the next resistance will be 1060. Okay, and the next resistance would be 1160 somewhere. Okay, 60, 70, 80. Okay, and then 1320 or so. So this way, friends, this way stock would start its upward journey, but now it's in in a condition, it's in a range that stock is now. It has once touched that level. Look at this. What I want to say is this level, friends. This level, I am telling you that this level. So stock has to break this level. This level of 970. Yeah, it's 970. Rightly, it's level of 970. So stock has to cross this level of 970 to continue the uptrend. To continue the uptrend, that was the first big step for the stock. Okay, and the downside now, stock has taken a strong support of level of we can say roughly 790 or so. Yeah, 790 level is a strong support for the stock. Okay, and now it's at a level of 850 or so. Yeah, 849. Yeah, 850. Currently, stock is trading at level of. It has given a closing in the last session. It has given a closing of 850. So friends, we have two levels now. There are two levels for the stock. There is a resistance level at, there is a support level at 790. Okay, 790, 95. It's actually a range. It's from, we can say from 800 to 950. From 790 to 800, we can say. This is a range. Approximately 10 points range is there. So that is our, strong support level for the stock. Okay. If stock, now stock has two ranges, friends. It can go to this level, but that would be an opportunity to add in this stock if it goes closer to this level of 790. That would be a buying opportunity for the stock because it has broken the 3 years trend line. That's a very good positive sign. So one can add this stock on every dip towards this level, on every dip towards 800, keeping a strict stop loss of 790. Keeping a strict stop loss of 790, one can go on adding this stock for a long time. Okay, one can add in this stock closer to, and it would be, friends, always remember, it would always be better to to add in a stock, to add that stock close to close to our we can say stop loss level, because I'm saying that 790 would be a stop loss. So anywhere close to 800, 815, okay, we get it. So we should keep adding it with a strict stop loss of 790, right? Because if stock would break that level, then there is a downside, possible downside up to 750, 760, because there is another support level, this level, and if that level is also broken, then it can fall down to, 1 minute, let me just show you, then it can fall down to this level as well. And if this level is broken, 730 as well, 730, okay, and if that level is fallen, then we can see that now the this trend will be finished. Then it may continue some downtrend again, but I don't see that much fall. Now I could see that stock would rise because it has broken 3 years trend line. So there is a very high probability for the stock to continue its uptrend. But it would take time, friends. It will surely take time, because it has a big resistance at the level of 970 level is a big resistance for the stock. Once given a closing above this level, we can add in this stock for 1070, and means for 100 points we can add it. Okay. But at current level, this stock is this stock is in clear in a it's a condition, it's a, we can say, level. There we have to wait and watch. We have to wait and watch for this stock too. Let us, friends, we can do one more thing. For short-term traders, we can make use of one moving average. I will add one moving average for short traders. For short-term trend, if you want to play this stock in short-term trend, we can add 20 period moving average and daily chart. Always remember, if you want to play as per the trend line, so let us make it green, keep it green, blue color. So friends, we have to wait, the stock has to cross about 20 period moving average. I'm adding simple moving average of 20 period. Okay, so if we want to play in this stock for short term, okay, so anywhere we get this stock above 20 period, just look at this level, it crossed about 20 period level. 20 period simple moving average, it has crossed that level. The level was 760. So one could have added this stock above this level, 790 level, keeping stop loss of 750. Okay, and see, from that level, it has given a very good movement upside this. And see, the person should have taken an exit at this level. Once it gone below 20 period moving average, so one would have taken an exit. So that would be a good reward here with a small risk. Okay, it has given us a good move from 790 level. It has moved to, what level is this? This level is approximately 900, friends. Means approximately 100 points, we could say. Approximately 100 points would be there. And what was our risk? Our risk was let us say 50. So 50 to 90 means 40. Okay, with a 40 rupees risk, it has given a reward of 100 points. Minimum 100 points, I'd say. Okay, right. So we can make use of this, simple moving average on the daily chart. Okay, if you get any stock, but wait for the stock to cross some level. See, it has made some range for few days. Let me just count for how many days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. For 8 days, stock was in a range. And moving average was in support. 20 period moving average in support. It was indicating that there was an accumulation. It was trying to gain the energy. It was in a phase to gain energy to move up. And see, after gaining that energy, once it gained that energy, it has given very sharp movement upside. Okay, once again, what happened again here? Here is a distribution. There's a distribution. Those who have taken entry in this level, they have taken their profit and exited. Okay, and it gone to some level up also. It made to 970 as well, but could not sustain. Sorry, 940, but could not sustain, and see, then fallen down. So all those who have bought at this level, they have taken their profit in this range. Okay, and fallen down. So friends, you can make use of 20 period moving average, simple moving average. You can add exponential moving average. Let me just add exponential moving average as well. Let us just check exponential moving average. Okay, so I will make it same 20. Okay, but with different color. I will make it just pink to make you we can see it easily. So friends, I will add 20 period exponential moving average. Okay, so see, you could see it. The exponential moving average has given entry. Same friends, it's almost same. And here is an exit. It is an entry level. So approximately, we could say it has once gone above that level. Okay, so entry level is approximate. So I don't see that there's a big difference. Okay, so friends, you can make use of exponential moving averages. Okay, so let us remove this. Friends, I always go with simple moving averages. So sorry, simple moving average, because their signals are very reliable. I trust simple moving average more than any other moving averages, because their signals are very reliable. The signals are big, actually their movements are big. They give us big horizon. You could see it has given an entry from this level, and it told us to exit at this level. So it's a very good, it works very well. Now currently it came this level, once again did down, once gone this level, friends. Yeah, this time it could not sustain. See here, this time it could not sustain, but our stop loss would be here, friends. Those who have entered in this level, they should have kept stop loss of previous level. So their stop loss would be this level. Okay, and stock could not break this. Once gone here, but could not break stop loss, again move down. So sometime it may happen, but friends, follow it strictly. If once you got somewhere, okay. So keep in mind, make it a thumb rule, friends. I just tell you one simple thumb rule, friends. Wherever is your entry, once stock goes from that level, it moves up maybe 1 day or 2 days. But stock once come to your once it comes to your entry level and it breaks that level, simply exit it. There's no need to exit. Sorry, no need to wait. Simply exit once. Okay. Again, see, those who have entered somewhere in this candle means somewhere 800, let us say 850. Suppose one has entered at 850 level, stock moved to 893 somewhere. Okay, again came to this level. So simply once it comes to cost, we should take an exit. We should take an exit and see. It has made to 800 as well. Okay. So always remember, once stock gives you some movement, either you book that once you see stock is falling. Okay. So keep always remember this thing, friends. Suppose you've entered 850 level, stock gone to 890, 95 as well. Okay. Once it starts falling down, so make some level, keep some level, just like look at keep this candle high, that is 867, 65. So keep some stop loss for that level. We should always exit at a level with little profit. If not big, we should take an exit at little profit. So see, on this day, because it's 1 day movement, actually from 1 day, stock has moved from this level of 867 or so and came down to 823 as well. One single day, friends. I'm just telling you, one single day. So that day we need to take an exit. Don't hold a stock if it goes up above your entry level, and if you have not booked anywhere that level. Okay, if you have not taken profit and see it has not given us an opportunity to take a profit, so simply exit cost to cost, at least cost to cost, friends. I would say exit with some profit of 5 to 10 rupees as well. Just like suppose you have entered at 850. Okay, it gone to 895. Okay, once it fallen down again to our level. So friends, keep this candle high, the candle where you entered, this candle high is 860. So keep stop loss of 860. So exit with 10 points profit at least, so that you can have your brokerages. Okay, so that you can bear with the cost of your brokerages. So simply exit there. If some stock is falling, so if it falls, okay, so we can enter it again. See, again it has given us an opportunity to enter. So follow some follow this setup strictly. Follow the 20 period simple moving average strictly. Once gone below, you should take an exit. Okay, and once it again moved on, so you can take an entry again from this level. So again it has given us an entry of 835 40 level. It has given us an entry, and from that level it moved to 975. Yeah, 975 or so. 80 actually. Okay, and here we should take an exit. Once again it gone below, take an exit. So follow this setup, friends. You have to follow something. Follow something strictly. Okay, so if on daily chart you are getting a stock is, it has given an entry about 20 period. So 20 period moving average is simply used for short term trading. Okay, so let us just check from which day it has given us an entry from 16th of October, sorry, August. On 16th August, stock has given us an entry from this level. Above it moved up above 20 period. You can take an entry at that level. Okay, and see what happened. From that level, it moved to 975, 985, sorry, 980 actually, 980, yeah. Even 984 somewhere, yes, this candle. Okay. So see, once it came down to below this level of 20 period, so you should take an exit of 920. Okay, this day you should take, or next day you should have taken an exit, friends. Once gone below 20 period moving average on the daily chart, you should take an exit. Right. So from, let us say we have entered at 40, okay, and we exit at 920. Okay, so how much gain is this? 60 plus 20, 80 points gain is there. Okay. Now see, stock is continuously, it is below this moving average. Okay, it is below this moving average, so we will not take an entry in this stock till the time it takes support of this, 20 period moving average, or we have a level. See, we have a level of, there is a level. The best entry level is, in this range. The best entry level is somewhere around 810, 800 level. That would be a best entry level if we want to long it. If it goes there, we should take an entry. Okay, if anywhere it takes a support of 20 period moving average, and we have to look from, see, friends, we have to look at some range as well. So suppose this stock is tomorrow, or day after tomorrow it crosses this level anywhere, so we should take a fresh entry above this range. We have to wait for the 890 level for the stock to cross, because there is a zigzag movement for the stock. It's an up and down movement. So stock is making some up and down movement, so we need to wait for this level to be crossed. Once the stock has crossed 890 level, and suppose it has taken the support of 20 period moving average, and it gives a closing of above 890, so we can take an entry above 890. Okay, our first target would be 970, friends. First target would be 890, or this level as well, 840 as well, because see, there is a range. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. 1 minute, friends. There are so many questions coming. Just give me 5 minutes to look at the messages coming. Friends, use daily chart. Use daily chart for for positional trading. Because see, weekly charts, you can just take an idea of of the trend of the stock on the weekly and the monthly charts. Monthly chart cannot be used for trading, okay, because the levels are big and we cannot understand. So whenever you have to take an entry, we should look at daily charts. Look at stock on the daily chart, and you can take some decision to enter. Okay. Someone is saying about 200 DMA impact here. Friends, 200 DMA is different. Okay, I'm just telling you for short-term trading. 200 DMA is used for long-term trend. So let us just check 200 moving average also. Let us just once check it. Okay. So see, yeah, it has taken us. It is still in support of 200 moving average. So let me just change its color. The stock has taken a support of 200-day moving average. So that's a very good, sign that stock is still in support. Okay. So if it remains in support and it once takes a support of 20 period moving average and it breaks, it gives a closing above 890 level. I'm saying because stock has made some zigzag movements in this range. So stock has to cross this level, friends. This stock has to cross this level of 890 to start its upward journey. Okay, and it has all we are seeing it from 2-3 point of views. First of all, we are considering this 3 years downward trend line. Stock has broken this trend line. Okay, it is above this level, so it is surely it will move upside. It will move upside, but it will not move in just one step. See, stocks cannot move in one step. So it is making some zigzag line. You can see here, it is moving, giving some zigzag moves. It will go up and come down. Okay. But see, if we look at this 200-day moving average, so stock has taken 200 period moving average. It is close to that. So we can initiate our entry anywhere we get stock closes above, 20 period moving average, because see, and we can simply keep a stop loss little below 200 period moving average. So just look at this level. So we can keep stop loss of this level as well. This level is 820. If it once goes above 20 period moving average, gives a closing above 890. So you can ensure entry above 890. Okay, keeping a stop loss of 820. Or simply we can, in that case, we can follow 200-day moving average as well. So that level is 840. So we can keep stop loss of 840 levels as per daily chart. Right? Okay, friends. So this is a very good setup. You can use it, but I'm just telling those who are short-term traders, so they can take an entry once stock crosses about 20 period moving. So most of the time, friends, it has given us a good profit. If we just go and study and that how the stock has behaved about 20, see, once gone about 20 period, look at this. It has not made a big movement, but suppose we have entered 770 level, or let us say we entered 780 level. Okay, we entered 780 level. Okay, stock made to this level of, let us say stock has gone to 824, 25 level as well. Okay, again came. So see, this day we should have taken an exit. This day. So where is our exit? Exit as 790 level. We entered 780 and we should have taken an exit at 790. So still in profit, friends, still in 10 rupees. So we cannot say it's a profit, but it's a neutral position. We have exited neutral. So always remember, once you have entered in any stock, if stock goes higher, okay, and from that high level, it again comes close to your cost. So we should take an exit cost to cost. Follow this thing. Don't just, keep your, we can say gut feeling that stock will not fall. The stock can fall anywhere. So see, if those who have not taken an exit at this level of 790, I'm saying, okay, stock has made a dip up to 726. So in this case, once we have entered 780, okay, and it gone down to 730, means, somewhere 50 points, friends. So in that case, that thing gives us fear, friends. So we should not let the fear and greed to, come close to us. Once in fear, we should, before it gives us fear, okay, so we should take a decision before we are trapped somewhere. We should take a decision that we will not hold any stock if it goes below our entry level. So we can take entry, exit close to entry level, even with some little loss of 1 or 2% also. Take an exit. Take an exit and re-enter. See, once we should follow, friends, we should follow something. Just like I'm giving you an example, if you're following this 20 period moving average only on daily chart, because that's for, for short-term players. That can be used for short-term players. So suppose we entered somewhere, 775, 780 as well. Okay. Right. So any day stock breaks below that. See, it has broken below that. It is gap down actually. It is gap down. So it has come to cost, friends. So we need to take an exit because it is already below, 20 period. So it is already below 20 period. So we should take an exit. Don't think another thing. Okay. Don't just, follow something, friends. We need to follow something. Okay. Discipline is very important. If you follow 20 period moving, follow it strictly. If you follow, 200 period moving average, follow it strictly. Or if you follow 50 period moving average, so follow that strictly. Follow that and, trade. Okay. And always remember, once it's my own, personal view actually. Okay. Maybe there are few people, okay, they say different thing. But see, I simply, believe in one thing, that once stock goes below our entry level, we should not think of any other things. We should take an exit simply. The stock can give us another opportunity. If stock gives us another opportunity, so we can take fresh entry again. So suppose stock, we have taken an exit at 780. Stock came to, 725, 27 as well. Okay. Once it again crossed above, 20 period moving average at 765 level. Okay. So we should have taken entry there, keeping a stop loss of this level, 730 level. We should keep a stop loss of 730. So see, it has not come. Once it tried, see, one day, let me just change the candle size. 1 minute. How can I do that? I just want to change the wick. 1 minute. How can I change the wick? Yeah, I will change the color of wick because it's not visible clearly. I will make it red. Okay. So see the wick. You could see. Let me just make it bigger. So see here, friends, I am saying that you should have taken an exit at cost to cost level of this. Okay. One stock crossed this level. Look at this 20 period moving average, this blue color line, this 20 period moving average. Okay, so we should have taken entry at this level, and even in this level, suppose we entered 768, 770 as well. Suppose we have taken entry at 770 as well. Okay, so simply we should take strict stop loss of this level of 730 or even 725. Okay, so see, one day it came close to 743 as well. See, you can see the low up here in this level. Look at the low. I will just keep it a candle. Okay, so see, it has came below 745, but could not break this level of 730. So there's nothing to worry. Okay, see, it has not broken below. See, look at the candle body. There is only wick. There is only wick. Okay, if it has crossed below, so we should next day we should take an exit. But next day stock is not broken its low, so we are still in. We will still hold the stock. And if we are still holding this stock, we have suppose entered in 780 level as well. Let us say, okay, stock crossed above, it made to 740 and 745 as well. Yeah, 745. This candle. Okay, again gone below this day. So see, friends, this day stock has given us an indication that once it has closed below, 20 period moving average. So next day we should take an exit. So suppose we exit in this day at the low as well. At the lowest point, let us say we have exited at this level of 880 as well. No, let us check its low. Low of this candle is 881.70. This is the low of this candle. So this day we should have taken an exit of, let us say we have exited at 882. Let us say, okay. So still, friends, we have made good profit. We have made 100 points profit because entry. I told you about we should have entered somewhere maximum at 780. Maybe we have got entry at 765 as well. But suppose we have entered at 780 level as well. Okay, we should have taken exit at 880 level. So means we are still in profit of 100 points. It's not bad. It's not a bad trade. So hope, friends, this thing is clear. How we can make use of 20 period moving average for simple, for short-term trading. But friends, always remember we have to beat some levels. Always take entry at above some level. See, currently the stock is facing resistance in these levels. Okay, one level it made fall. Okay, again tried but could not sustain this level. Okay, so again fallen. Okay, so now it's in a level that it is in continuous support of 200-day moving average. It is in support of 200 period moving average. Okay, so we should have taken entry only above what stock gives a closing above this 20 period moving average, this blue line. Okay, red line is 200-day moving average. So you could say red line is 200-day moving average, and this blue line is 20 period moving average. This is simple moving average. Okay, so we will take an entry only above this stock gives a closing about 20 period moving average, and the best would be we should take an entry only above 890 level. Reason being, there is a level. So stock has to cross this level. If it has to go up, it has to close this level. And if it breaks below 200 period moving average, so then it can fall down to this level of 800. Okay, it can fall down to 800 level. Okay, it can fall down to 800 level. Okay, so we can take fresh entry there as well, close to 800 level, keeping a stop loss of 790 or 85 maximum, 785 maximum. Okay, if it breaks that, then it will surely not easily come up. But see, as per our trend line, it has broken 3 years trend line. So that's a very good confirmation that stock is now trying to gain strength. Okay, it continuously for 3 years stock was in downtrend. So it will take time for the stock to gain energy to give a upward move. But surely it's an indication that stock will not go below now. It will rise up because the trend has changed. Actually, its downtrend has finished. So it needs some time to gain energy. Okay, I hope this thing is clear, friends. Friends, for intraday, we can make use of 5 minutes. Let us just say in 5. Let us now check this stock in 5 minutes time frame. Let us check in 5 minutes. How does it look? For intraday trading, we can make use of 5 minutes. Okay, so I will just make it bigger. So see here, friends. So we can follow this 20-period moving average here as well. We can follow this 20-period moving average here as well. So see, it has gone below this level of 20-period moving average in the previous trading session, 5 minutes time frame. See, previously it was it has given a gap of opening was there. There was a gap of opening for the stock. Okay, it moved down. Sorry, moved up. Okay, but could not sustain then, and it filled the gap. The gap was filled. So always remember, friends, if there is a gap, if stock creates a gap in the opening, so there are chances that stock can fill the gap, provided we have to see at the candles. Once you could see that one stock made this level high, then look at the next candle. So this candle has given us an indication that stock can fall now. So one would have shorted in this candle, keeping stop loss of the high of the day. That is 863, 64 level as well. We can keep a buffer of somewhere 20-50 points. Pasa. 20. See, it is shown. Its high is 863.75. So we can keep stop loss of 864. Keep a stop loss to 864. If it has to cross that level, it will go and break. Okay, and will move higher. Okay, but if we keep just sometime, it may come close to that level. So for that, I'm just adding a little buffer of 25 paisa. Okay, so we can go short in this candle. Okay, or below this candle low, we can go short. See, we can go short at this level. Means 860 level. So we can keep stop loss of 864. That's a very small stop loss. Very small stop loss. And see, on the very same day, see, it has made low of 852. Let us say 853. Where we have shorted somewhere 800. Let us say we have shorted at 859, we can say, and it made to 853. So we have got somewhere how much? 358. Okay, means approximately 5 points. Again tried higher. Okay, see, this time again tried higher, but could not sustain. It could not even sustain this level. Okay, so in this time we can again short it after the next candle. We can again short it, keeping stop loss of this previous low. 860 level as stop loss. Okay, and we can short it below 856. So friends, once broken that level, you can see here, once it has broken that level, it has fallen down to level of 845 somewhere, 845, 84, 846. Okay, so we can make use of these things in for same 20-period moving average for intraday trading as well. But we have to see many things there. We have to understand the candles move, and we have to understand the overall move of the stock, and see the 200-period moving average. The stock is continuously below 200-period moving average. Okay, so we can make use of this thing as well. Friends, simply look at it's a 800 rupees stock. So 800 rupees stock means we can expect 1%, 8 rupees maximum. So we can be satisfied anywhere from 5 rupees to 8 rupees. Okay, 5 rupees to 8 rupees is good. Okay, so it has given us 5 rupees. Again moved up to this level. So we can again short it up next candle. We can short it, keeping stop loss of this level. So our stop loss is 860, means and we have shorted it 856. So we are keeping a stop loss of 4 rupees. So we can expect at least 4 rupees. At least we can say at least 4 rupees, friends, or 8 rupees. So always remember, target should be somewhere around 1:1 or 1:1 or 1:2. At least 1:1. It would be better we should go with 1:2. So we can expect 2 rupees. In the ratio of, if we are considering 1 rupee stop loss, so we can expect 2 rupees profit. But sometimes stocks do not give us, in the ratio 1:2. So anywhere we get some indication that stock can now reverse, so we can take profit. The best part is we can take profit of at least 1:1. So keep on booking profits. Okay, keep booking profits. So see, from this level, stock has given a very big fall. Okay, so those who have shorted at this level, friends, 856. Okay, that was a very good fruitful short. So see, from that level, stock made to 846.45. So there we need to take a profit. So suppose we have shorted at 856. So it had made to, it has given us 10 rupees this time. It has given us 10 rupees profit. So that was a good profit. We should take a profit and exit, and we can be satisfied with 8 rupees as well. Okay, so friends, normally we should expect 0.5 to we can say 1% of the stock in intraday. Okay, expect 1%, maximum 1%, and minimum 0.5%. So hope this thing is clear, friends. Let us go with first of all, I will go with Tata Motors because someone asked me about Tata Motors. I will just go with Tata Motors. So friends, intraday is, look at this level. It has created gap. See, friends. So there's nothing like this. Okay, it is not always the stock will fill the gap. So see, this data has created a gap, but it has not given us an indication to sell it. Nowhere it has given us an indication to sell. See, it made to here. From this level, we should have taken at this level we should have taken a short below this level. Okay, and suppose we have shorted at 185 level, so it has came to this level, friends, 184. But see, stock was in support of this 200 period moving average as well. So we can expect maximum to this level, and we should take an exit once at this level. Once it tried up, we should take an exit. Okay, so it has made in a range, it remained in a range, and once again given a very good movement from this level. So in this case, we should have taken entry above this level. Once above this level of 185, we should take an entry above 185, keeping stop loss of 100, and here stop loss is very small, friends. 184 actually. Only 1 rupee stop loss, friends. Only 1 rupee stop loss, and those who are the safe players, they should have taken an entry in the long side entry at 187 level, because its high was there. Previous high was there. So I normally do this way. Once stock gives a closing above that level only, then I can enter. Okay, means 187 level, I can take an entry in the fresh long side entry, keeping stop loss of this level, somewhere this level actually. Yeah, we can keep stop loss of this level, 184 point, we can say 30. Let us say 184 as well. It's not a big, 184, 187. Okay, we can take stop loss of, because there is a big range actually. So see, friends, 187 level, stock moved up to 191 level. Okay, from 187 it moved to 181. Okay, so it has given us 181. Yeah, let us say 191. Sorry, 191. So friends, it has given us 4 rupees. It has given us a good profit. Okay, so we should take an exit there. Now let us show this stock in daily chart. I will check it in daily chart. Thanks, friends. Thanks. Okay. So see, friends, look at the daily chart. On daily chart, everybody know that Tata Motors continues in downtrend from quite long time, and it is below 200 period moving average as well. But we can make entry as per for short-term entry. We can consider this 20 period moving average that I told you how we can make use of this 20 period moving average for short-term traders. Those who want to play short-term positional trading. Okay, but rightly speaking, we can make long position. We can go with this stock in long term. We can add in our portfolio only once it takes a support of 200 period movement. That is about 300 level. So stock has to cross about the 300 level, or we can add here. We can take 50 period moving as well. But really, it will take its reversal from only above. It has to cross about 300. Only then we can say the stock's downtrend will be finished. Okay, so it's still in downtrend, friends. If we take a trend line as well as our concept is, so I will make a trend line, friends. So we can put up many trend lines here. Stock is continuing downtrend for quite long time. for more than 2 years, I think. Yeah, but more than 2 years, stock is in continuously downtrend. So here I will take a trend line. Okay, so I will start a trend line from this level. So we should consider the maximum point friends. So we have got these points. This is once a trend line. Okay, see, stock has broken that level. Stock could not sustain, broken that level, and again made again low. So we can put one more trend line now from this level. So stock has to cross that level. Only then we can say the downtrend is completed. So I will add one more trend line because that trend line is far away. Okay, stock has made some other levels from this level again. So friends, we should consider this trend line connecting maximum points. So I will just make from this level. Okay. So friends, stock needs to, give a closing somewhere around. Sorry, it will be a little far away. It should be somewhere here at this level, friends. Somewhere. If we want to be safe players. So we will consider a buying in this stock only once it, gives a closing of this trend line. Okay, once it gives a closing over this 275 level, once closed over this level, so that would be by the time I'm expecting that 200-day moving average would be, touching this top because it is moving this way. So it can come down to this level. So somewhere friends, this level. Yeah, by this time the stock will, because it will take time friends. It will take time, surely it will take time. So if we just consider this line to extend this way, so it may come down like this. So means anywhere at this level, once stock is crossed, given a closing of this 270, 80 level, we can say 280 level, once it gives a closing about 280 level, then it's a clear indication that stock downtrend will be finished. But that's a long time to go up 100 points up. So it has to move 100 points up, only then we can say the stocks, downtrend will be finished, because it is continuing downtrend for more than 2 years. Yeah, approximately 2 years. Okay, so rightly we have to wait for this stock. We have to wait in this stock. Okay, so see friends, for those who want to play it in short term, so how they can make use of this short term trading, we can simply, as I told you, we can follow this 20 period moving average. Follow 20 period moving average, so it gives you best results. So see, as per the 20 period moving average, see, stock was continuously in downtrend. It came down from where it once broken that level, came down. So it has broken this level up to 20 period move average, has broken from 265 level. It has gone below 260 level, 265, 260 level, we can say. It has gone below 20 period moving average. Okay, and it remained in downtrend from 260 level. Let us say from 260 level, stock has moved to 160 level, friends. So it has given us 100 points downside move. 100 points downside move, friends. It's a big fall, and now stock is, it has given us an indication that now it has taken a support, friends. So we can take fresh entry only above the high of this level. We can take a fresh entry in this stock only above the high of this candle, that is at 190 to 193. Let me just zoom. Yeah, we can check it here. What is the high of this candle? The high of this candle is 191.85. So we can initiate our buy entry at 192 or so. We can take our buy entry in this stock 192 or so. Okay, keeping a strict stop loss of the low of this level. Little below this 20 period moving average. Little below this means 178 or 80 as well. We can keep stop loss of 180. Okay, and we can take entry above 192. Means there is a stop loss of 12 rupees. Okay, so there is a high probability for this stock to give an upside movement as well. Now we have to see how much up move it will give us, but it has given us an indication that stock can now take a upward move. So at least I am expecting that stock can touch at least close to this level, friends. So I have made a trend line. Okay, so there is a high probability that stock can come somewhere close to 820 level. I'm expecting at least at 2030 level, at least. 8, 20, 25, 30 as well. Okay, and our stop loss is just 12 rupees, friends. So we can take a fresh entry. We can take a fresh entry because stock has given us an indication, and look at the volume also. Volume is increasing. Now look at the previous volumes. Okay, so there is a volume rise also. There is an increase in volume. Okay, so we have to see it on opening, but we should buy it only above the closing of previous day. So previous day closing is at, sorry, previous day. I'm saying entry should be at about high of this previous day candle. That is 190, 1.885 is the high. So we should take an entry in this stock only above 192. Okay, so let me just put a trend line there, horizontal line. Sorry, I will put a horizontal line there at that level, and I will save this chart for my understanding in future. Okay, and I will put one more horizontal line at the stop loss level that I will keep with a red color. Sorry. So I have kept a stop loss of, better keep a stop loss of 178 or 75 as well. Okay, 178. So friends, I will save this chart for my future understanding. So here is a very good option, friends. In investing.com, we have a very good option to save our chart. So here we will go to save our chart. We will just click on this. So we can name this stock Tata Motors. Okay, Tata Motors. Long entry. I will just write long entry. 182. And stop loss 178. Okay, friends, so I will just save this. So you can save it. So there is a very good option, friends, in this, and there's an option of you can set the alerts as well. You can set the alerts, so you can go ahead, you can set the alerts as well. If you want any stock to enter for alerts, if you want the alert from this site. For a minute. You can, sorry, I will go back. Oh, sorry, I have, wait friends, just a minute. So friends, we have an option to, set an alert as well. We can set the alerts as well. I will again go back to Tata Motors. So friends, you can set up the alerts as well. There is no need to keep wait and watch for the stock to, you can just set an alert and it will alert you. It gives you an alert that stock has reached your entry level and you can enter. Okay, so I will add moving average of 20. Sorry, I don't need to do that because I have saved this chart. So once you have saved it, you can just click there and you will get it. Just go there. Okay, so I got back the chart because I have saved it. So there is a very good option of saving our studies. So see, we have got the same things. I need not to put anything, even trend line, everything is there. So friends, you have a better option to save this chart. So we can, because the stock has given us this big candle, it's a very strong bullish candle, friends. So, and it has taken the support of 20 period moving average. So friends, many people follow this 20 period moving average. So it's a logic is, if that has given us an indication that stock has come close to this 20 period moving average, means many people are interested in buying this stock for short term, at least for this level, friends. I'm expecting 820, 825, 830 as well. Okay, and if it moves to 870, 80 level, it closes above 880 level, then it's a confirmation that the stock will continue the uptrend, long-term trend, uptrend. Because it continuously, the stock was in downtrend for continuously for 2 years. Okay, the stock cannot be in a in the downtrend but throughout. Okay, once stock is in downtrend, then there will be a time the stock will start its uptrend, right? Because there is nothing bad. Everybody knows Tata Motors is one of the most blue chip companies. Okay, it has some Jaguar land issues. Okay. So because of that, there's a decrease in sale from China. Okay, So that has made the stock to fall down. But otherwise, fundamentally, this company is strong. It's a good company. Okay, there's nothing worse in this company. So one can take the stock for the long-term trend, long-term investment only on dips, or only work with confirmation of the upward trend. Okay, let us just check 50 period moving average. Once I just want to check where is the 50 period moving average. Sorry, I will just check once 50 period moving average. So at what level is 50 period moving average? Because see 50 period moving average gives us more confirmation of the uptrend. So here is at 50 period moving average is at 225 level. 225 level friends. Somewhere this is our. So one stock gives a closing about 50 period moving average, so we can add the stock, for long-term trade, for an investment, or for long-term trading. Once it has crossed that, but that was a kind of false, entry. That was a kind of false entry. But sometime we have to see many more things, because see, once it has given a closing of that, and from that level it has given a fall also. I will just change its color, friends, so that we can let us make it green. So one time it has given us a false entry as well, we can say. Once closed about 50 bit moving average, okay, but could not sustain and fallen down. So many times it may happen also. Okay, so we need to wait there and wait that level to sustain. So I hope, friend, this thing is clear, how we can make use of this thing. So let us go to, there was some other stocks also. Let me just check. I got a query. Yeah, Reliance as well, Titan as well. Okay, let us go with Titan. Let us go with Titan, how the setup works with the Titan company. Okay, so Titan has, if it put a trend line on the daily chart, the stock has broken the trend line and has given a good move upside. It will be a right trend line. Okay. I will just change its color, friends. Okay, this is a trend line. So stock has broken this trend line and has gone above 20. So see, friends, in Tata Motors, you could in Titan, you could see the stock has once taken support of 20 period moving average. It's taken a very strong upside move. See, one time also it gone above that level, but could not sustain, again fallen down again. But this time entry is very good entry, because see, it has now given a trend and breakout as well. It has given a short term, this is a short term trend for the Titan, that was in down, stock was in downtrend, but now it has given a closing above this 20 period moving average, and now it has taken the support of 50 period moving as well. Okay, and it is about to touch it, but it has not. It has just touched, but could not cross 200-day moving average till date. Once it gives a closing above this level, friends, then we can see its upward journey towards at least for first target of 940.50. 940. Once if it has given a closing above this 200-day moving average, so I could expect the stock could rise up to 940. 940 will be our first target, because stock has started downward journey from that level actually. So let us just make it smaller. Okay, once given a closing above this level, friends, then it can go to next level. So friends, stocks move in steps. It will move. Just a minute, friends. Okay. So I think friends, you are getting my voice? Is it clear? There was some network, friends, is this thing clear? Is this setup is clear? Because now Titan has given us a strong upward move. Okay, but it should cross above this level, friends. It should cross this level. Okay, or it should take support of this level. Once it has taken a support of this 950 level, so the stock can rise up to the next level. So friends, it will rise in steps. And there is a support at the current level. It is close to take a support of this 200 moving, already in support of 50-period moving average. So see, it has taken a good up and see. So friends, we have to see that one stock take this support of this 200-day moving average and sustains above that level. So then it will continue the uptrend, because it was in some short-term trend, it was in downtrend. Okay, now we have to see this level. If stock would sustain above this 50-period moving average and 200-day moving average, okay, so we can see simply once it gone above that level, okay. So there was one more query. Someone asked about escorts. Let me see any other stock. Lupin, Reliance, Titan. Okay, Reliance. Someone asked about Reliance as well. Let us see Reliance, friends. Let us see Reliance as well. Reliance Industries. Okay, so friends, look at the Reliance Industry chart. It has taken support of 200-day moving average and reversed from that level. Currently, stock has faced, taken a support of this 200-day moving average. Let me just go back and so that you can clearly see this level. See friends, in past how it has respected 200-day moving average. It came close and moved up, it came close and moved up. So friends, you can make use of these three moving averages for positional trading: 20, 50 and 200-day moving average. Okay, so most of the stocks respect 200-day moving average, but once gone below, we should take an exit from longs. Okay, we can take fresh entry only one stock takes a support of 20-period moving average and then supports of 50 and 200. Okay, this way. If it has to move upward, so it should take support of all these moving averages stepwise. Okay, because it falls down in the same way. Once it breaks below 20 period, then 50 period, then 200 period, and this is the downtrend. Now it has, you could see that Reliance, after giving this strong up move, it made to this level of 1330 as well. Okay, and then it has started the downward journey. It has started the downward journey. So friends, let us make use of our today's topic that I am studying. We are studying today. That is trend line. Now we can connect our downward trend line, friends. There can be different type of trend line. So I will connect a downward trend line. So let me just consider some past level for the stock. Yeah, we can consider from this level, friends. Okay. So friends, this is our trend line. 1 minute. I will just make it more reliable. Yes. So this is our trend line, friends. This is our trend line. So see how stock has respected trend line. How stock has respected trend line. Sorry. What is this? There's some issue with internet, I think. not able to remove this. Okay, 1 minute. From this thing has come. Okay, friends. So you could see that stock has respected trend line many times, and this time as well, friends, stock has taken a support this trend line. Now it has so we can take a fresh entry in this stock. In the long term entry, we can take a if we are positional traders. Sorry, if we are long term traders. Okay, so positional traders can take support close to this level, this trend line as well. We can take entry at this level as well, keeping a strict stop loss of this 1015.20. Yeah, 1020 actually. Yeah, 1020 level we can keep strict stop loss of 1020 and long at current level also. But see, the stop loss would be bigger. And when it comes close to this level, friends, we can take entry with this trend line. Because for the long term trend, as I've shown you in the trend line, friends, there is a friction. Let me just once change its time frame. Maybe we are removed from this. No. I don't know from where this sign will be. What is happening here? 1 minute, friends. I will just restart it. I will just go with the Tata Motors and then we will study again. Yeah. I will again see the lines. Okay. So I will make the trend line again. I will make a trend line again. Okay. Let me just make it smaller so that we can see any other level. No, this is the right trend, friends. Yeah, this is. No, sorry, not this is not reliable. 1 minute. I will change it again. We can consider it from this level, currently this level. Okay, friends, this is our trend line. Okay, so this is our trend line. So you could see that stock has respected this trend line many times. One level, then gone upside, came close, then up. Okay, here it came close, but could not break again up again. Okay, so from this level, it has given a strong upward journey. Okay, strong upward move. So stock, there's a very strong trend line for the stock. If it breaks below that level, then we can see it falling down somewhere, even this level as well. But there is a strong, this level is a very strong level, friends. Stock will not break this level easily. 950 level is a very strong support for the stock, because there is a very strong level for a long time. Stock has remained in this range. So we can take entry even at current level as well. Positional trading, as I'm sorry, for investment purpose only. Those who are investors, they can take entry close to this trend line. They can take entry close to this trend line. Okay, keeping an immediate stop loss of this level of 1020 or even 1015. I'm saying this candle low. Let me just put one line there. I'm saying my stop loss to be at this level. This level of 1017 or 15 as well. Okay, and we can take entry at close to C. And see, friends, it has now came very close to this 20 period moving average. So once stock takes support of this 20 period moving average, we can go long. At least for short term, we can take entry in this stock now, but now it is still away. It is about to touch this level. So somewhere 1085 or so, it will give us entry with the support of this 20 period moving average. So I can expect the stock would rise to this level somewhere, at least this level. Maybe it's not true, but I'm expecting that stock would rise from this current level of 85, somewhere 1085. It can rise to 1175 or so. And first target could be this. Let us see, first target could be somewhere around. Yes, first target could be about 1125 or so. If it manages and closes above that level, then next level would be this. It would be next level 1180, and this level. Next level would be somewhere 1220. Okay, and so on. Then 1260, and then 80 somewhere, and then maybe it can make fresh highs then. Okay, right. So friends, you can make use of this 20 period moving. It is about to take support of this. If it takes support of this 20 period moving average, you can go long. Look at in past. Look at in past level also, stock was in downtrend. It has fallen down once, taken support and gone up. From this level, it made to one again. One should have to see, friends, those who have entered in this level, one stock moved from, let us check what level is this. It has given us entry at 950. We can say 950 level has given us an entry, long entry. It made high of 1030. Okay, came below, came close to 980. So below 980, we should take below 975. We would have taken exit. So if we have entered 950, it has given us exit at 970, 75. Sorry, 75. So friends, we have got at least 25 points. Okay, again came down. Okay, but could not fall. Yeah, it respected trend line. So this time it crossed about 20 period moving average. See, once it has crossed about 20 period moving average, and see, there was a support of 50 period moving average as well. So friends, once you get more number of moving averages in support, 20, 50 period and 200 period moving averages already in supports, that's a very good sign to take a long entry. So we can take long entry as well, the 50 period moving average as well from this level, or with the 20 period moving average at this level. So the level is 990, let us say 1000 level. Let us say we have entered 1000 level. So see, from 1000 level it moved to 1300 level. So friends, it has given 300 points move. Okay, once it gone below this 20 period moving average, you should take an exit. So if those who have exited at 1230 level, say, suppose we have taken a long above 1000 and we have exited at 1230 level. So friends, we have got 230 points. 230 points is enough target, friends. It's a very big move. It's a very good profit. So we should take an exit. Friends, many a time I see that people make right entry. They have taken good stocks at good levels, but stocks have given them good profit as well. But the people fail to book profits. So don't miss this much rally, friends. Always make some target, or keep some system, follow some strict level, and exit as per that level. So anyway, stock goes below 20 period moving average, you should take a exit blindly. Simply take an exit. Take this much profit. So those who have entered about 1000 or even safe players would have entered in this stock only above this level of 1040, because see, there was some resistance level that could be a double top, which can be a reversal, but stock has not given any reversal from that level. It has gone straight from that level to 1320, 30 level, yes, 30 level. Okay, so see, if someone has taken entry about 1035, 40 as well, it made to this level, and once it gone below 1230, below 20 period moving average, so we should take an exit, friends. Stock could not sustain there. See, it has given us an exit opportunity 2-3 times. One entry, once it has given us entry, exit, and again at this level it has given us an opportunity to exit. So it was indicating that we should take an exit now. But many people don't understand that this thing, and they still keep long. And see, friends, it has once came close to that level. You got an entry level, 40 level. Okay, so those who have not booked this much rally, this much profit is not booked. So they are at cost to cost now. So this rally is, they have wasted this much gain. I would simply say they have missed it. So friends, don't miss. Whenever stock gives us 10-20% profit, we should take and simply follow some system, follow something. Just follow either 20-period moving average to take an exit, or follow some logic of 20%, 30% gain and take an exit, friends. There's nothing bad. Stock has given us 30% move. So 30% gain is enough. If we have entered 1,000, let us say check how much percentage is this. So friends, you can also calculate this. How much percent is this? Suppose we have entered 1,000 level, or let us say 1,040 level. We entered 1,040 level, and stock has gone up to, let us say, at this level only. Let us just check with it. This is 1,230. Okay, we have got 190 points. How many points? 190 points. So let us calculate how much 190 points of 1,040. What percentage is it? It is 18%, friends. It has given us 18%. So we can say the learned investors, the investors with knowledge, they don't expect more than 20%. They simply keep in simple logic of they follow these moving averages and simply take an exit of anywhere they got a stock with 18 to 20% profit. They take an exit. So friends, follow something. For stop loss, we should keep for investors. The stop loss should be max 8 to 10% of your entry from our entry level. Okay, and profit target should be at least, we can say, 15 to 20%. If you follow that system, we can make good money. So follow something, friends. Okay, follow moving averages, follow anything. So I have told you very good setup, friends. If you follow this system, I will guarantee you will make good money. We have to follow some system, friends. We have to follow some system. So I hope you have got this thing, how we can make use of this setup for positional trading, how we can make it fruitful to us. So follow something. You check the trend line, check different things, check moving averages, take 20, 50 and 200-day moving averages. So many a time, big stocks, they don't, break 200-day moving average. So if we go back and study this stock on daily chart, so it has still in respect, it has still in, it has taken support of 200-day moving average. So anywhere it comes close to 200-day moving average, so we should take an entry. Okay, we should take a long entry. Keep some stop loss little below that. Keep some levels. Suppose those who have entered in this level in long side, they should have taken an immediate level as a support level as a stop loss. If we have entered, suppose 912 to 20 somewhere, 920 level somewhere, we have taken entry. Okay, we should simply keep a stop loss of 880. 880 is the stop loss. So follow that system. So let us check how much stop loss is there. Let me just calculate it, friends. Suppose we entered 920 level, suppose, and I am saying we should keep a stop loss of 880 level. Let us say this is our stop loss. So let us just check how much difference is this. There's a 40 points difference. So how much is this? Let me just calculate the percentage. Friends, it is simply 4.34%. Approximately 5% stop loss is there. So that was a very good entry, friends. And now look at present level as well. Let us go to present level. I am saying that we can take entry above 1,085. I am expecting by 1,085 stock would take support of this 20-period moving average. Okay, and it is very close to this 200-period moving average and trend line as well. So we can keep stop loss of 1,015 as a stop loss and entry at 1,085. Sorry, let me just calculate how much is this. 1,085 minus 1,015. So there is a gap of 70 points. Sorry, 70 points gap is there. So let us calculate how much is this. Friends, this is 6.45, means approximately 6.5% stop loss is there. So we can consider this entry anywhere close. Once we have taken, we can take entry at this level as well, keeping stop loss of 1015 or even 1000 level as well. Nothing bad in that. We can take entry stop loss at that level. Okay, and we can go long. So we can currently we can take an entry, and I expect the stock can even give some opportunity close to this trend line. So that would be a good entry for investors, because it's just giving us 6.5% stop loss. Okay, so for investors, the maximum stop loss should not exceed beyond 8%. 8% maximum we can consider 10%, and we can take entry in this stock. So I hope, friends, you have learned this session and you have learned many more things, because these are some logical points nobody will teach you, that too in free. Okay. So friends, with this note, I am closing the session here. Friends, you can check it anywhere in any commodity. Okay. Technicals, there is no difference in technicals. We can apply this setup anywhere. Okay, let us just check anywhere. Let us just check gold or silver, anything. Let us just check gold. What is this gold stone? No, this is something different. Let us just check. Let us just check crude. Okay, crude oil. Crude mini, sorry. I will check crude mini. No. No. Let us just check this thing. Friends, in investing.com, I'm not familiar with the symbols. Crude oil, let us type crude oil. Crude oil. Let us just check it. This is something different. Let us just check zinc. We can take anything, friends. 1 minute. This is Hindustan zinc. This is different. Commodity. MCX. 1 minute. Friends, you can apply this setup anywhere. It will work for you. See here. See this setup. Technicals work everywhere, friends, in every field. Okay. So you can check anything. I will again check lines. Sorry. There was someone who asked me about escorts. I will check escorts. Escorts has already given a very strong move. Let us see where we can take an entry, because Escort stock has already run up. It has given some run up. Okay, yes, it has come to very friends. It will it has taken support of this 20 period moving average and moved from this level, friends. See how well the move is. Stock has moved from this level of 590 somewhere. It given us entry of 590.95. Till date, it has moved to 685. Means approximately 100 points. 100 points are done so far, with just support of 20 period moving average. Now, once it takes support of 50 period moving average, okay, from 700 level somewhere, okay, it is likely to go this level, friends. It has to go this level, friends, somewhere close to this 885, 840 as well, close to 200 period moving average. Okay, friends, so you can go with this stock. Escorts is a very good company. Okay, you can go, because see how well it has given us an entry as per This I'm just telling you moving average of 20, 50, and 200. Okay, so let us just check trend line as well. I will go to back level and see. So let us just check its weekly chart. Its stock is okay. As per weekly chart, we can make a trend line as per this. This stock is far away. So we can consider this trend line. So friends, we can 1 minute. It has given us very big movement in this week. So if it, friends, if it gives close to little correction somewhere, so that would be a very good entry for as per this trend line. Okay, let us just check in daily chart. Okay, so on daily chart, stock has taken. It has broken this downtrend actually. It has broken this downtrend. So friends, you can take a fresh entry as well, this current level as well, keeping stop loss of this. We can say 590 level. But there is a big difference, 100 points approximately. You can simply follow it. Just wait, friends. Wait for this stock to give some closing above this 50 period moving average. Okay, so we can expect minimum this level, minimum 800 level, minimum. Means we can expect 100 points movement upside. Minimum 100 points movement once it takes support of 50 period moving average. Minimum 100 points movement. But as per the candles moving upside, friends, it's giving a little condition that it can show some correction. I expect some correction is there. There is a possibility of some correction because stock has made a steep upside move. So anyway, if the rise is very fast, sharp rise is there. So there is a chance of some correction. So maybe we see some correction, possible level of somewhere 650 as well. So if it comes close to somewhere 650 level, so we can take a fresh entry, keeping stop loss of 590. Okay. So as I could see, that stock is given a sharp move. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and there's a gap as well. So it may come close to fill this gap as well. Maybe it doesn't come. Okay, but there's a small gap as well. Gap is not big, but there's a small. I could see that it may show some. It may give some correction because it has given a sharp rise. So anyway, friends, you see some stocks have given sharp rise. So there is a high probability that stocks can, give some healthy correction as well. So we will enter, better to enter in this stock. Wait for some healthy correction somewhere around 630 as well, 630, 650. Somewhere it may come close to that level. Maybe 640, 650, somewhere in this level, friends. It has to come close little bit, and then we can take a entry. Okay, so long-term traders can take entry, keeping stop loss of this level, friends. They should keep a stop loss of. Let us just check which level is this. So we can keep stop loss of this level, friends. So simply keep a stop loss of this range. So this range is 550. So we can keep stop loss of 550. We can enter somewhere around 620, 30. Somewhere it comes close to there. We can take entry. So our first target would be somewhere around 800. The next target would be 900. and onwards it can go to, yeah, 920 30 level will be a big level for the stock. So it could go around somewhere 925 30 as well, even 1000 towards 1000. Yeah, 200 period moving average is very far away for the stock. So it may come close to 840 somewhere. Okay, friends, I hope everybody would have learned something today, and I hope you apply this system rightly. Yes, friends, you can watch this video because this is on a session on YouTube, so you can check this through the same link. Through the same link, you can check it later. Okay, friends, I am closing the session here because it's a long time. Okay, if there is some queries, you can please ask me. So I just wait for 5 minutes. MCGBCI. 1 minute, let us check MCB. MCB. Sorry, MCG. MCGBC. Okay, this one. Crude oil future. Okay, yeah, crude oil. See, friends, crude oil is in support of 200-day moving average. But maybe it breaks that. It has just touched that. So I will just make a trend line here. It is likely to fall, friends. It seems to fall more. If we take a trend line, so it has already gone below trend line. Already gone below. It has broken this level. It has broken trend line, friends. So crude oil has broken this trend line. So it may continue some more downtrend because it has just touched. So we have to see whether it takes support at 200-day moving average or not. If it has not taken support, then it can fall more. Then it can fall more. Okay, because see, friends, it has broken the trend line support. See, it has respected this trend line many a times. Even it has came close to this 200-day moving average. It is already below 20, 50, and now it has come close to this level, friends. So we have to see it now. It has already broken trend line. So for crude oil, we can see more. Either it will take support of this 200 because see, it's at a condition. Either it will it's a make or break level. Actually, it's a make or break level, friends. It's a make and break level. Normally, I have seen the stocks. It can fall little bit, but may reverse again. So it has a high probability that crude oil can reverse from 200-day moving average. Okay, it may give some downfall, little fall as well, maybe somewhere close to this level. Somewhere around, yeah, maximum in this case up to 4300, 4400 somewhere, or even this level. Let us check this level. Yeah, 4500, friends. Maybe it takes support at that level. So we have to wait and watch for this level to be broken or whether it takes support or not. From 43 level, 4300 to we can say 4565, somewhere 45, 4600 level, it should take support. This is a support zone for this crude oil. It should take support. If it doesn't take support at this level, then there is more pain. Because then there would be no support and it could slip down to this level. 4000 level, 400, 4200 level. But 4000 level as well. But many a time it is seen, friends, In rare cases, these things, breaks below 200 day moving average. We have to wait and watch. Yeah, it has once broken that level as well in past. It has broken that level, friends. Once it has broken that. See, once it gone below, little down and then reversed. But finally broken down and then okay. So friends, now we have to see for the crude oil whether it takes support at this level or not. Because it's at a make and break level actually. It's at a make and break level. So we have to see, and we need to have some, we need to wait and watch. Because it at just touching at 200 day moving average. So I feel that it would take a reversal from this level. There's a kind of hammer, okay. Now its wick is not very big. It's a kind of hammer, so that's a reversal candle. That's a kind reversal candle. So it should take reversal from this level. Okay, and there is no nearby support, neither 20, 50. Okay. So friends, it's at a condition of, we can say, there is a probability. We have to see it, friends. We have to wait and watch. It's a make and break level. It's at a make and break level. So either it will take support of this level or it will break down to 83 level as well. 85 to 83 level is, with the support zone for the stock for this. Sir, you just wait and watch. Okay, you just wait and watch for this crude oil, whether it breaks this level or not. As I could see on the daily chart, it's a kind of hammer. Okay, there's a hammer which a reversal candle, which is a reversal candle. So it may take reversal from this level. It may take reversal because there is no nearby moving average as well. It has just touched 200 day moving average. So it's most of the time it is seen that stocks come close, it will go a little below as well and take support. So 200 day moving average is not easily broken. So it is at a make and break level. We have to see because there are many global issues as well. You could see as you can watch the news. There are many things, So it all depends on the decision of the global community, how they, okay. So it's a very big issue for every market as well now. So we have to see, we have to watch on the news. If something positive is there, some good news is there, so it is most likely to take reversal. But if something bad is there, then it can fall down below 4300 as well. Okay, friends, so I'm closing the session here. It's a quite long time. I wish you all the best, friends.